Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the comparison between Pampers Premium Care and the Mama Bear diapers. So this Mama Bear brand is recently launched in Amazon and it is sold for a much lower price. So I decided to compare these two uh, diapers. So first let us see the physical comparison. So here first, if you look at the Pampers, see the length is slightly on the higher side, and in case of Mama Bear it is not like that. Again, so when it comes to Pampers, there is one yellow line which indicates the wetness of the diaper. So whenever the diaper is wet, this yellow line will turn to blue. And in case of Mama Bear, we have there are two yellow lines, which should turn to blue as advertised by Mama Bear company. But from my experience, this line doesn't turns blue. In fact, it turns to a dark color, but that is not visible obvious. And one more thing, coming to the elastic is not as good as the Pampers Premium Care. So here you can see that these elastics are very soft. Elastic nature is also good, but in case of Mama Bear, it is not too elastic. In fact, they both are same sizes. They both are L sizes. So this is also L, and this is also L size. The size is not written here, but if you compare the size, if you compare the elasticity, and if you compare the actual size, Pampers Premium Care is slightly on the higher side. See here, if you extend the Pampers completely, you'll be able to see the difference. So in fact, I'm using L size for my baby, and I bought an L size of the same L size from the Mama Bear, but this one seems to be like an M size. So if you have if you are planning to buy this Mama Bear, then I would suggest you to go for a higher size. So suppose if you are already using L, then go for XL, because this is slightly smaller. And one more difference is in Pampers you will have this uh, tape where you can paste it and you can roll it and you can throw it away. But here in case of Mama Bear, no such things. So it is like a regular brand. So this is not premium as Pampers Premium Care, and the material is also different. So if you can see this, right, so here in case of Pampers Premium Care, this material is more like cotton, where I don't think there will be much problem with air circulation. But in case of Mama Bear, it is not like that. It is more like the Pampers Dry pants. The comparison which I have made earlier between Pampers Premium Care and Pampers Dry. So in case of Pampers Dry, the material will be slightly plastic in nature. So the same kind of material is also used here in case of Mama Bear. So I don't think this one will give much air circulation as Pampers Premium Care does. And coming to the inner side, so this is the inner side where you have a layer of cotton followed by this gel pad, again the layer of cotton. That's it. So this is how the interior looks like. But when it comes to Pampers Premium Care, you can see that these gel patterns are arranged in a systematic way throughout the Pampers. So even if your baby is urinating while it is sleeping, still this gel will take care. But here, no such things. So this can be used. This Mama Bear can be used during travel where your baby doesn't sleep, or if you are going for a short trip. For those, you can use it by that time. and the inner material is also different. So here the Pampers Premium Care is again soft on the inner side. Here it is again a bit plasticky. It is all non-woven materials, but the quality of the non-woven material is again different. And coming to the other things like, the elastic on the thigh side, it is almost same, but here it is, the material is a bit soft in case of Pampers Premium Care. Okay, and both of the diapers I have tried on my baby, and this is also, the Mama Bear also is sufficient enough for one night. But coming to the comfortableness, it is not as comfortable. The Mama Bear is not as comfortable as Pampers Premium Care. That is what I feel. So if you are planning to move on to Mama Bear, if you are already using Pampers Premium Care, then I don't think it is a good choice. But if you are already using Pampers Dry or any other low cost Pampers brand or any other low cost diapers, and if you're moving to Mama Bear as because it is cost efficient, yeah, then I would recommend Mama Bear. But if you're already using Pampers Premium Care and if you are willing to move to Mama Bear as because it is less costly than Pampers Premium Care, then I won't recommend this, because Pampers Premium Care is way ahead of Mama Bear pants. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video to your friends. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.